Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, we see how to open a Catia file into other softwares. Say suppose I want to open a part which is created in Catia, and after that I need to open that in Unigraphics. Then how to convert that? First, I create one simple part. I go to part, select plane, sketch, a simple sketch. I add some thickness, command pad, then this is a Catia part. Now if you want to open this part in other softwares like Unigraphics or Creo or SolidWorks, save this part, file, go for save. See, first I save this in Catia part. See, this is here, file type cat part, some 001 I save, and there are different types of files. You can see that in save only. See, save as type, they are neutral files. See here, step file, IGS file. See, I save this in IGS and I save this with the same name 001. Now it is saved in both part, Catia part as well as IGS part. Then I open now Unigraphics. See here, file, open. See, in Unigraphics there are different ways to open. See, desktop, here part files .prt, file extension for a Unigraphics part is .prt, whereas for Catia .cat part. See here, it is not showing anything. You have to open this. There you can see. See, if you want to open IGS file, see, now I select IGS file. You can see here 001 IGS. Then I select this, then go for OK. Taking some time. See here, this is IGS part which was created on Catia v5. Now only it is showing as a dump part. You can't edit this. Then another way is go for file, open. In Unigraphics you can also see directly Catia v5 files. See, directly in Unigraphics here you can select Catia v5 files. See, now you can see all Catia files. Same, the file which I have saved in Catia part 001. Now I open. See, a single dump part. See, part body. It also, you can't edit this part. See, it acts as a single dump part. Whereas IGS parts, see, there are, see, surfaces. See, this is separate surface, this is separate surface, this is separate surface, this is separate surface. Like this, you can open Catia part in Unigraphics. Either it is in IGS file, or directly you can open Catia file. Second and third way, go to file in Unigraphics. See here, import and export. Here also, this is the third way to get the part, to get Catia part in Unigraphics. See here, Catia V5. Select this. First I close the Catia part. This I will close. Now file, import, file new. First open a new file, then go for file, import, Catia V5. Here you need to select this folder, browse this folder. Now directly you can select a Catia file. The same thing, I open. So in Unigraphics there are three ways. In save type you can see the options, and also in file also you can import a Catia part. So like this, this is the way, this is the procedure. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel Imperial CAD System.